Hey folks, we're back here in front of the dryer again. I want to do one more dryer startup video for you. This time I'm going to do a comparison between what it sounds like when I just started up and what it sounds like when the motor's warmed up. Once again, this is exclusive to winter, so I wouldn't be doing this in the spring. Anyway, I've got some bed sheets in here that I just washed. They came out great, as usual. So we're going to set the dryer. Let's go time dry about there. You can hear the sound of the timer running too. And we'll get it fired up. It's running nice and loud today, so make a perfect comparison. Burner just kicked on. Alright, so it's running nice and loud. I'll come back when it's warmed up a little. I know, right? It's so much quieter once it warms up. It's the weirdest thing. I've never understood why it does it, but it's never impacted performance in any way, shape, or form. So it's running fine, and I'm gonna get dry sheets soon. So that's gonna wrap this one up today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.